Hi, my name is Rohit Mishra. I am a fitness influencer and content creator on YouTube. Okay, let's start. Starting something new can be super exciting, but also super frustrating, right? Whether you are learning a new skill, launching a channel, or just trying to get better at something, every beginner goes through the same struggles. In this video, I am breaking down the top 10 problems beginners face and how you can avoid them or push through. Let's go. First thing is fear of starting. Let's be real, just starting is the hardest part. You keep researching, planning, overthinking, but never actually begin. So just stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start messy, start small, but start. First thing you need to do is to start. Take your first step. Second point, no clear goals. Without clear goals, you just wandering around. YouTube, fitness, coding, you need a roadmap. Fake. So step small, achievable goals. Something like upload one video a week to learn HTML in 7 days. The clarity makes a huge difference. So you need to be clear about your goals. You want to go in the muscle building, you want to go for power lifting, or you want to be a fitness influencer. So first thing is you need to be clear towards your goals. Third point is trying to learn everything. You want to learn everything at once. Edit videos, short b-roll, write scripts, build website, do. But there is no one who can do everything at once. Focus on one thing at a time. Focus on one workout schedule. Focus on one skill set that you want to improve. Then take the next step. Fourth step, comparing to experts. Biggest trap ever. You look at someone with 5 years of experience and wondering why don't you measure up. So for this you have to stop comparing yourself to your past to others. You have to compare yourself to your past self, not someone else. Inconsistent practice. You are motivated for 2 days, then vanish for 2 weeks. Sounds familiar? So, for that, set a schedule. Every 20 minutes a day add up. Consistency and intensity. Consistency is bigger than intensity. So, take small steps every day to reach towards your goal. Sixth point, too many tutorials, not enough action. Binge watching tutorials feels productive, but you are not actually doing anything. So for that, after every tutorial, build something, even if it's small or imperfect. Seventh point, fear of judgment. What if people laugh at me? What if I fail? Everyone starts somewhere. The only way to get better is by putting yourself out there. So try putting yourself at every step. Eighth issue, not asking for help. Too shy or too proud to ask. Don't be too shy or too proud to ask for help. Every time when you think that you are stuck somewhere, try to take help from the professionals and from the experienced one. Ninth point, perfectionism. 2 weeks and tweak and never finish. Waiting for perfect means never publishing. Get it done, improve with each version. Done is better than perfect. 10th, the last, giving up too soon. This is the biggest one. You tried for a week, didn't see a result, and then gave up. Success takes time. Keep showing up even when it's hard. You are learning every step of the way. So how many of you these did you relate to? I have faced the all 10 at some point, trust me. Drop a comment with one that hit you the hardest. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and stick around for more videos like this. You got this, keep going.